Okay, welcome guys again to another video. Today we'll be changing the Lexus IS300H battery. It's also the same battery in the same key fob in the IS350 all-wheel drive IS300. So it's quite a simple one. You push down here, and you remove the manual key. Then you insert it in here, as you can see, and then you give it a turn. Okay, so once that's in, if you haven't changed it in a while, it may be quite hard, so you might want to give it a wiggle, because this is my spare key. Just realized that the battery was flat. So give it a wiggle, and then the back eventually comes out. Yeah, like that. And then in there you also find another protective casing or cover for the battery. So use a screwdriver to open that up. Okay, so once we open that up, we can bring out that cover. We currently have in there a Panasonic 2032. So we're gonna take that off, and we'll be replacing them with a Duracell 2032. Okay, put it back in there and put back the cover. There is an indication in the cover telling you which direction, so turn it back up. Supposed to be facing up. Cover it and cover up the back casing, nice in place, and then you put back the manual key. You press it just to be sure that the red light flashes, and that's it. Thanks guys for watching, and see you guys in another video.